Microneedling for hair growth. You probably have heard about it, but is it legit or just another trend? Let's find out. So, what's microneedling? These are tiny needles that make small super holes in your scalp. Sounds scary, right? But it's not. These tiny pokes boost your blood flow and signal your hair follicles to wake up. Here's the cool part. A recent study showed that microneedling combined with minoxidil was more effective than minoxidil alone. So just imagine, we're talking about more hair and thicker strands. Who doesn't want that? Now, you might be worried about the side effects. Just a bit of redness and itching for a day or two. That's not a big deal at all. But remember, it's not instant. You got to stay consistent and don't DIY blindly. Using the wrong needle size or technique can hurt. That can actually harm your scalp. Always consult a doctor or a skin specialist first. If you're looking for science-backed tips for stronger hair, follow Healthy Info. We got it back.